Hello dear viewers, this video I will show you how to apply for Bangladesh visa. And one more thing, this process you will apply for tourist visa, student visa and any others visa. Okay fine, let's go to the apply. First you will open Google and search Bangladesh visa application. Then first option showing Bangladesh Online MRB portal. Here is the main website. You should confirm it, visa.gov.bd. This site you will click. Then this page will show and must click this box. Then click next button. Now showing this page for application security. Enter your email address. When type complete, then again confirm your email address. When complete, then enter security code showing in the image. Same code type. Then next button. Now we are here. Part 1 step. Personal information. First you select current location. If you apply first time, then you select your country. If you extension or stay in Bangladesh, then select Bangladesh. Otherwise, you select your permanent country. Okay fine, I will extension my visa. That's why I will select Bangladesh because right now I am currently in Bangladesh. Then photo upload. Photo must be size 45 by 35 mm in JPG format under 300 KB. If you can't size photo, please search YouTube how to size photo for online application. Then you will get lots of videos. I hope you can understand. When photo uploaded, then must click preview button for check. Now type your first name as in the passport and last name as in the passport. Then again fill up first name on visa, last name on visa, then permanent address like your passport, contact number at permanent address. Now address in Bangladesh and contact number in Bangladesh. Date of birth as your passport. Sex. Place of birth as your passport showing and select birth country. When click your country, then next two lines autofill up. Then select occupation. You should select occupation. I am a student, that's why I select student. And marital status single. Then organization. If you have any joint organization, then select it. I chose other because I am a student. That's why I type here my college name. Finally, click save and next. Now showing the part 2 step. Type of visa enrollment. Listen, here is the important for everyone. If you new first time applicant, then select first one. And if you extend your visa, then select visa extension. So I need visa extension. That's mean I select visa extension. But don't worry, all process same. Okay fine. Then select save and next. Now this page will show if you want login after some time later, then you will note login application and password. Okay, now give your passport number. Select passport type. My passport type is ordinary. Then select place of issue as your passport. Date of issue as your passport. Then date of expire. Now have you visited to Bangladesh previously? If you last visit in Bangladesh, then yes or not. I have already visited in Bangladesh. Then I will click yes. If you not visit and first time application, please do not click yes. You click no. Then all option will hide. Okay fine. I click yes. Date of last visit to Bangladesh. Last visa number. Last visa issue date. Last visa date of expire. Place of issue. Type of visa as S mean student. Now click save and next. Now part 4 step payment information. This page you can nothing. Just normally leave this. There is nothing can do. Now click save and next. Now part 5 step. If you have any relative in Bangladesh, then select it. Otherwise not necessary. I leave this. Now type date of arrival in Bangladesh. When you came first time in Bangladesh. Okay fine. Now other information already fill up. Now you can select purpose of extension. Here is the many type of way. So I am a student, then I click study. Now duration of purpose extension. I need 2 years, but they did not give 2 years for student visa. They give only 1 year. Okay, then I gave 2 and select day 2 years. Now number of entry. It should be multiple. Then now click save and next. Part 6 step. You will collect from where? Then I will select visa call. But I am already here in Bangladesh. So I collect from Bangladesh visa office. Then I select Agargaon in Dhaka. Then save and next. Finally, part 7 step, documents checklist. I only submit passport copy, last visa and last arrival page. This box I will click it. Then nothing else. Now click save and next. Here is the main things your application form showing. Now click this box and save and next. Finally your PDF file is ready. Now click here and it will be download. 2 document must be download. Then print it and submit visa office. One more things, this application and including bona fide non-employee sponsorship certificate must be take from college and then submit visa office. I hope this video will helpful for foreign students. So I am hopefully you will like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.